Thank you. It was a lovely segue from James. I also have a video company of sorts. For the past 8 years, I've owned and run my own video production company, creating more traditional videos. It was there creating over 200 videos a week for some of Australia's leading corporate clients that I saw it wasn't so much an opportunity, but I think a real need to make sure with all this content that's going out that's incredibly relevant for every individual. And that's where the Data Creative platform was born. So what we do is we take data from a client's database, we take existing video assets that they already have, we merge the two together and we create personalised videos. So we started and went to market a little under a year ago, and in that time we've created over just under 500,000 videos for our clients. The overwhelming feedback that we've had is we have increased engagement every single time. With every campaign we've done, we've had an increase in results, which is incredibly rewarding and exciting, but it's not at all what excites me about what we've built with this platform. What we've done that I think is truly unique in traditional video production, as James mentioned, you know, quite commonly you'd expect 6 weeks to actually create a video, maybe a couple of hours, maybe a couple of minutes. We're creating videos in 4 seconds or less. This is real-time, personalised video content from nothing to something in a heartbeat, which just opens up doors of amazing opportunities to give people content at just that right moment of time. So how it works. So we have a platform that at first we have data, and the data is very important because it decides not only what goes into the video, but commonly when that video is made. It's the trigger for what actually will create it. It then goes onto the platform and we can personalise just about anything. So voice, we've found a lot of strength in actually being able to personalise and visualise data to explain people's own journeys and their own metrics and numbers. But we can also storytell as well, and I think this is really important. You're all probably seen those Facebook videos before where it's, you know, a template, data gets dropped in, it's really cool, it's sexy. We're doing something a lot different than that. We'll actually customise the story based on what we know about this person. So it's really storytelling and that next layer. We all do all this, it spits out an MP4 in 4 seconds or less. So in and out, 4 seconds. It can then be distributed commonly via email, SMS, but also landing pages, and just given that time, augmented reality is a big space that we're working in and looking at as well, full stats also. Since we started not that long ago, we've developed a great range of clients that we're working with. We're API integrated, so it just works, and I think that's really been the strength of our product. They don't need to do anything. Basically, once we're set up, the videos will just be created, spud out at the right time that they determine. So a variety of different use cases that we've had, from everything from HR, induction, candidate engagement, to relationship and life cycle, to acquisition, to product upsells. We've kind of been doing a good range of different things for all the clients that we're working with. I wanted to take you through one in particular. We worked earlier this year with Hawthorn Football Club. We created over 50,000 videos for them, and I'm going to concentrate on 6,000 of those, which was for their unrenewed members. Really simple. You were a member, you're not anymore, come back and be a member. But based on very simple information like what state you lived in, if you'd been to a grand final before, how many years you'd previously been a member, there was 72 different variations of how that story would actually play out. So every single person who got that video, it was really customised for them. In addition to that, we used some simple data like their date of birth, and we gave them a Hawks story. So we actually told them, since you've been born, you've seen this many goals and this many games and this many losses. Of the 6,000, we had 2,950 open and view the video, and we had 1,209 directly click through and renew their membership. So we almost had a 25% return just on that one campaign alone. I'm running out of time. We do all this and it's less than the cost of a postage stamp. So unlike a postage stamp, we're 100% trackable. Clients get all their data and their stats, their learnings. It's not uncommon the way the videos work for them to then loop back into the system. We have a bit more data now. The video that then gets output is a little bit different than the time before, and it can constantly kind of keep churning and going through, which is what we're starting to see now, which is really exciting. So for us, we're really looking to accelerate, to grow, and I'd love to talk to any of you that are interested. Thank you very much.